Well, good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, or whatever your current live situation is. Hello, YouTube. This is Jeffrey Kite, back again with another episode of Kite's Curiosities. After Christmas, I'm always able to find some fairly decent retail. And I'll be showing y'all some of the things that I have found out in these stores in the next coming days. And I'm going to start my videos off this week with this 2021 Panini NASCAR Prizm. I paid $32 for this box, and if I was not a big NASCAR fan, I would not be getting this box. I mean, $32 for a blaster. I've never paid that much for a blaster. Usually it's in the $19.99 if I really want it bad enough, or in the $15 range if it's on sale, $12, something like that. But man, $32. So I'm hoping to pull an autograph or something real nice out of here for $32. So without further ado, let's go ahead and rip into it. I don't have my knife with me, so I'm going to use this screwdriver, which is just as good as anything else, I guess. Hope y'all have had a wonderful Christmas holiday. I know I have. And let's see what we got here. Alright. Pull these out. We'll save that pack for last. Let's see what we got. I've seen some people pull some nice stuff out of these packs, so let's see what I get. Alright, Taylor Gray. Casgrela. Nice. Kyle Busch. Beautiful cards, man. These are nice. It's the National Pride, Jeff Gordon. Okay. And I've seen these. I don't know. It's got Joey Logano on it. I might send that off TTM. I'll get him to sign that, see if he would. There's the code if y'all want it. I ain't much for contests. See here. Got a Eric Amarola. That's a nice card right there. Whoa, here we go. That's the autograph, Drew Dollar. Nice. That is a gorgeous card right there. Yeah, all right. I don't feel so bad about buying this pack now, this box now. Check him out, Drew Dollar. Ooh, it's numbered to 50. That's nice right there. Nice, young, up-and-coming star there. Good race car driver. I think he does some trucks, too. So, nice. All right. That's my hit of the box so far. Let's see what else we get. We got a Legends, Rusty Wallace, and Natalie Decker. All right, good. I'm happy about that Drew Dollar card now. I'm very happy about that. Numbered to 52. That looks nice. Here we go. There's a Mason Massey. Ryan Blaney. Nice. Got him in TTM not too long ago. Another Jeff Gordon. This is Brad Keselowski. Big Bad Brad. Nice card there. And another Joey. Oh, Smiley, as they call him. Now get that. There you go. Ooh, Austin Dillon. Let's see here, Joey Logano. Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Or as Kyle Busch likes to call him, Ricky Spinhouse Jr. He called him that one day in an interview. I cracked up, man. Old Kyle Busch, he always rags Ricky Stenhouse. Oh, here's a nice one. That Ryan Blaney, nice. And there's the Austin Dillon. Nice, nice, nice. I'm pretty pleased with this box so far. Good mix of guys. I should get some of these TTM, get some more autographs on these. So, let's see. Just an all-guy. Very, very good Sprint Cup. Sprint, no, he's down on the, let's see. He's the down below us on the NASCAR Cup. He's Sprint Cup Series there. Good driver there. Just missed a championship this year. John Hunter Nemechek. Excellent truck driver. Wonderful truck driver. He's going to be a star. Haley Deegan. Yes. I don't care what y'all say, man. That's a good-looking girl right there. I know she's got her mask on and that, but hopefully she'll sign that for me and send it on back. She's sporty. She's a good little race car driver. Drives trucks in the truck series. I mean, she's going to be good. If she can get her a good team behind her, build her name up, I think she's got a chance to do some good things in NASCAR. Ooh, here's another Ryan Blaney. That one might be. No, it's just one of them parallels. I like that. That looks gorgeous. And Joey Logano again. Here you go. I'm filming this on my couch in my man cave because my desk is an absolute mess. It is just, I just got stuff everywhere. I got to clean that thing up. Already see, got me a Richard Petty. That's a good looking card right there. Man. I know he'll sign that TTM. Christopher Bell. He had a good run this season. Kyle Weatherman. Tony Stewart. Smoke. Sharp looking card there. Alright. So let's see what's in my foil pack. Gonna be kinda hard to beat an autograph, but I got it. Hopefully maybe we can get another one in here. Let's see. Daniel Suarez. Aric Almirola. Bubba Wallace. All right. All in all, not too bad. Not too bad, guys. Tell me what y'all think. This is a really good product. If you like NASCAR, cards look fantastic. From the views that I've seen on YouTube and the videos that people have been doing, a lot of good hits out of there. And I'm so thankful, so proud to have my hit here, this Drew Dollar here. All right, folks. Is this on card? Yeah, that's on card too. Look, there's no sticker. That is an on-card autograph. Nice. All right, folks. As always, like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. Till next time, y'all take care now. Have a good one. Bye.